Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at the Chopard Eyeglasses model VCH265S in color code 23KT. The color of the frame is Burgundy. On its temple are protective sleeves to make sure that they don't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are cat eye shaped. Its temples are gold and the temple tips are burgundy. This is the inside of the frame. And both temples are the same. And these are the stones on the temple. And the Chopard logo is also engraved. The Chopard logo is also engraved on its bottom left lens. On its inner right temple is again the Chopard logo, that it's made in Italy, and that it's 23 karat gold. On its inner left temple is the model number, color code, and dimensions of the frame. 54 is for its lens, 15 is for its bridge, and 135 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Chopard gift box, a Chopard case, a Chopard cleaning cloth, a Chopard envelope which holds a Chopard booklet, and a Chopard authenticity card. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com, and have a joyful day.